You can see these workers all across Zanskar, constructing roads for the tourists and for the convenience of the locals, for bringing food and other essentials, especially during winters, when roads used to be closed due to harsh winters of this remote area. Earlier during winters, people of Zanskar were cut off from the rest of the world. But now the whole world is becoming more accessible to them. But all this credit goes to these workers who are working very hard and under direct sun and high altitude along with their children, playing around them all day with dirt and stones. These workers usually sleep in tents and cook their own food after finishing their day-long work.
Thanks to the hard work of these workers from Nepal, Bihar, Uttarakhand, and other parts of India who are constructing these roads on these difficult terrains. I really want to salute these hard-working workers.